So this year alone, I visited 38 resorts and Secrets Moxche stood out to me the most. It has made it to my top 2 for 2024. So this resort blew me away from the moment I walked in. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly why you need to make this your next couples getaway or a girls trip or even a retreat. And for those that are new here, my name is Adrienne and I'm the owner of Breathless Getaways, and we specialize in travel to the Caribbean, Europe, and Asia. So if you're looking to plan your trip, I would love to help plan it with you, from doing the research to booking every element of your stay. And I make things really easy so that all you have to do is pack your bags and show up. So now I wanna jump into this video. There is one thing that I know this resort needs to work on, which I'm gonna share in the video, but leave a comment, send me an email, and for more videos like this, click that subscribe button. Welcome to the stunning Secrets Moxche located in Riviera Maya. So this is a 5-star, all-inclusive, adult-only resort, which has earned its place as one of my top 3 resorts out of the 38 that I visited this year. Let me tell you, this resort is nothing short of amazing. This is my room, which is the Preferred Club Junior Suite Ocean View room, and it comes with either a king bed or 2 double beds. For this room, the rates start at $389 per person per night, and it comes with amazing VIP benefits. So because it is Preferred Club, think private check-in, you get access to exclusive areas, so you have access to the full resort, upgraded amenities, and a dedicated lounge. So staying in a Preferred Club room will take your stay to the next level. The service here is exceptional. So if you're celebrating something like a birthday, an anniversary, a honeymoon, they don't have butler service, but they do have an amazing concierge team to enhance your stay. And for our clients who we have celebrating a special occasion, we take care of every single detail. So for any enhancements that you're looking to do, we coordinate this with the concierge. If you're celebrating something, we have a gift set up in the room upon arrival, and we get you VIP perks. So you'll get perks, you also get a $200 resort credit, and you get us as your travel advisor. So all you have to do is pack your bags and show up. If you're interested in booking with us, send me an email to adrienne@breathlessgetaways.com. Staying here gives you a variety of restaurant options. So you can find anything from French to Italian, Asian food, seafood, street food, steakhouse. My favorite, hands down, was the Asian restaurant and the steakhouse, so you definitely have to check those out. But here's the downside, and this is one thing they need to work on. They do not take reservations, and the waits are sometimes an hour plus. So get there early before the restaurant opens to make sure that you can get what you want. I'm not a fan of buffets, but the buffet here was delicious. Okay, so now let's talk about the pools. This stunning pool here is the man-made beach at Secrets. And this was my favorite spot. So this was more of the quiet side. Usually I like lively, but with this trip, I just wanted to relax and unwind and chill and be pampered. And that is exactly what I got. So if you're looking to relax, you want to stay on this side where the man-made beach is. They have so many pools here. They have about 7 pools. They have so many hidden whirlpools. This one is actually the lively pool. So here they do have performances, they have games. So if you're looking to have some fun, you've got that. They also have a rooftop, which is for Exhale Club members only. I connected with so many different people and couples here. So if you are a social person, you will love that aspect of this resort as well. Now I want to take you to one of the most serene areas at Secrets Moxche. This is actually one of my favorite places to unwind and just connect with myself. So they have a beautiful jacuzzi surrounded by palm trees. You can relax on a lounge chair or a hammock. It's the ultimate place to unplug, soak up the calm vibes, and just be. So if you're looking for peace and relaxation, this spot is pure perfection. Another thing I love about this resort is that they have hammocks all over. So if you're looking for a cozy spot where you can just relax, read a book, or just take in the beauty of the surroundings, this will be your own slice of paradise. And another thing, look at this gem right here. So they have a cenote pool. Remember I said they have pools all over? Well, this is their cenote pool. Normally, there's only one couple here, which is fantastic. When you stay here, you absolutely have to do a spa service and the hydrotherapy session. It is a client favorite, and they say that this is the best spa experience they've ever had. If you found this video helpful so far, click that like button. And also, if you're interested in us planning your unforgettable vacation, send me an email to adrian@breathlessgetaways.com. We only take on a certain number of clients each month to ensure you get that personalized service. So email me and let's see if we're a good fit to work together. Another thing I love about this resort is that it comes alive in the evening. So they have excellent entertainment. They have a speakeasy on the property. You will need a password to get in, and I'm not going to tell you where it is, but DJ is awesome. You'll get great music, dancing, and incredible vibes. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. And if you are new here, click that subscribe button for more videos like this.